Alright, what is up guys? So we're back for another video. At this particular point in the stage of fixing my IS300, that is 2JZ GTE swapped with a single turbo and a CD009 6-speed. In the process of doing all of this stuff, we have now replaced the entire fuel system, and now we are still having issues, and so we're going to be moving to the ignition system. Car has brand new spark plugs in it, changed them last week. Already did that. Car was still having a problem, and so that leaves potentially either my coil packs, my coil wires, or maybe my igniter. So anyways, I think we have a nice gentleman named Rob Woolley that has sent me a working igniter to test, and I don't have it in yet. I think it's either supposed to come today or tomorrow. Not entirely sure if that's going to be in this video or not. But this is probably going to be a quicker one because today I have new plug wires and new OEM coil packs. These are all the OEM set. This is all from Denso, which is the company that makes the factories for Toyota. And so anyways, got brand new OEM coil packs, OEM coil wires. We are going to change those in today, and we're going to see if this car will drive. It is still cutting out and stuttering, and we've replaced the entire fuel system. The car has fuel pressure at the rail, and it does not run lean as it cuts in and out. So the car is getting fuel. The only thing that can be left now is either an ignition problem, maybe a bad map sensor, or a bad ECU. So we're going through the process of elimination. We're going to replace the entire ignition system in this car, and we'll start from there, and we'll see what happens. This car is still running the I want to say they're OEM. I think they're OEM coil packs and wires that it came with when I bought this engine in 2016. This is an imported motor. Had somewhere in the area of about, I had paperwork with the engine that said, and it also had maintenance item, like maintenance stickers on the engine, also indicating recent maintenance. That somewhere this engine had in the area of about 59 to 60,000 miles, and I have put about 10,000 miles on it myself since. And it has been giving me nothing but issues in the last year. So it's been sitting. We're gonna go ahead and replace the ignition system now. I'm going to cut through all of that. You've seen me take if you've watched this channel before, you've seen me take all this stuff in and out multiple times. So gonna go ahead and change all this shit out now. So, all right guys, got the old ones out. This is what they look like compared. You can definitely tell which one's newer and which one is older. Gonna go ahead and replace these in there now, button these up, throw in my new cables, and we'll see what happens. All right, let's see if the battery's got enough juice to crank it up. All right, that's a good sign. Running really nice. Actually, it's not missing, so that's a good sign. Didn't put anything on backwards. A little bit of steam coming off of it because it did rain here, and it is very humid here in the south. So there's steam burning off of the exhaust manifold. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if she starts cutting in and out. No cutting in and out yet. That's a good sign. Before I take this thing down the road, I'm gonna just whip around out in the road, turn around and come back up my driveway and see if anything changes. Yep, it's still doing it. It is still cutting in and out. Try this again. Yep, and that's what it's doing. And then the check engine light comes on. I don't get it. I don't know what could be wrong. Only thing left I can think about is to maybe test the igniter whenever the new one comes in. and the check engine light went off. I don't know, boys, I'm stumped. I don't know. My AFRs are 16.5, 16.6, 16.4, 16.5 at idle. And you can hear it, it's popping, the exhaust, as it's idling. It's like it's missing. But at the same time, the engine feels super smooth. So, I don't know. Only thing I can think of now is just wait until the igniter comes in. I think it's supposed to be here tomorrow. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video today. And you guys will see it tomorrow. Today, you guys should be watching this probably on Thursday. So, yeah. I don't know. I don't know what else to look at yet. I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see when the igniter comes in. Alright, if you're just now checking in the channel, please subscribe if you're liking the content, or if you like the idea of the car running good, because at this point it feels like it's a pipe dream. But anyways, like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up if it helps the channel a lot. If you guys have any idea what it could be, hit me up. At this point, we replaced the entire ignition system, the entire fuel system. I don't know, the vacuum hoses on the intake manifold all seem good. I checked the ones to the map sensor, so I don't know. Thanks for watching, guys.